In today's video, we're going to be talking about a cryptocurrency airdrop campaign currently ongoing for a project that has actually risen over $16 million in fundraising, right? We're talking about with big investors like OKX Ventures and Oasis Labs being a few behind this huge airdrop opportunity right now. This particular airdrop campaign, any and everybody that actually participates in it can see at least from $100 to thousands of dollars. Is honestly limitless. It just depends on how much you're willing to put in and how much you're willing to grind right now. The name of this particular airdrop we're talking about is Privacy, right? Privacy. And in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys step by step how to actually get started with Privacy, how you can actually mint your human NFT, your human identity, and then go ahead to do all those other tasks so you can actually secure yourself the upcoming airdrop eligibility. At the end of the video, please leave me a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications if you learned something. Let's get straight into this particular video.
Alright guys, so first things first, you're going to actually have to come over here to download a particular application, right? Don't worry, it's very lightweight, it's very much secure and everything. You're just going to come here to where it says create an account, click on create an account, agree to all this stuff. You can also read more of them, read the terms of services. You can read up on all this stuff and then click on agree and click on continue. Then you put in your username here, put in a password, then you re-enter your password and then put in a referral code here. I'm going to be dropping my referral code. In fact, my referral code is on the screen right now. You're going to be getting some perks if you use my referral code, right? And then when you're done with all that stuff, just register yourself, and that's basically it, right? I can't really do this stuff right now because I already have an account, right? Okay, let me see. Let me just see. Let me just create a dummy account. Let's see. Let's just create one here. Let's just do a random password here. Just 1111. Five. Okay, let's see. Let's start this one with A, and let's see, underscore, right? It must contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter. Okay, I just want to show you guys exactly what to do next once everything is done. Let's just re-enter that password right now. Let's just do that. 11111 underscore. um okay, I think the referral code here is actually mandatory, right? You have to paste the referral code here before you can click on next and then just create your account. I'm very sure you already understand how this process works, right? So I'll just log into my own account right now and then share with you guys exactly what to do once you've created your account. It's very simple and straightforward. Don't worry about it. Alright guys, you guys can see we are actually in my account right now. You guys can see I actually have about $4.8 right now in Ethereum on the Arbitrum network, and this is basically all you need to pay, right? I understand that a lot of you guys are looking for just free ways to make some money online, but trust me, this thing is not like what you're going to be getting back, right? Is going to be very likely way more than this. And I'm very bullish on this particular project because of the backing and because of my research. I've done a lot of research on it and I've seen that it's actually worth it, and that's the reason why you see me even putting my money here right now, right? If you click on this mint NFT, because that's the first thing you're supposed to do, you can see an approximately 0.006 16 Ethereum fee will be required, right, in on the Arbitrum network, right? So you can actually top up. If you don't have that, click on these details here, and then you can receive Ethereum here. You can just click on receive, and then you copy your wallet address. You can copy your wallet address right here, and then you can see this is the network you're going to be sending it to, Arbitrum. So you're going to click on receive. You copy your wallet address. Keep this in mind, and then you go to wherever you have some Ethereum on Arbitrum, right? Or just wherever you have some Ethereum, you send it through the Arbitrum network, right? So let me just share with you guys exactly how I did this. Let me just go to one of my wallets so I can show you guys exactly how to fund your accounts with this some Ethereum. Alright guys, so this is one of my wallets right now. This is C wallet, and I'm gonna let me know down in the comment section if you actually want me to make a full video as to how to use this particular wallet, as to why I even downloaded this particular wallet and the benefits I'm enjoying, right? But yeah, let's just get straight to the point. So if I just click on pay here, you guys can see you can choose Ethereum, for example. I don't even have a lot of Ethereum, but yeah, you guys can see sending Ethereum, and then we choose the Arbitrum network. You can see it here. This is it. Arbitrum, you can see there is Arbitrum on Ethereum, right? Or Ethereum on Arbitrum network. You can see it Arbitrum down here. Just click on that. You can see it's very cheap as well, the network fee. And then you come here and put that 0.0016. Remember, that's what they asked you to do to send. But just to, just to make sure that there's no network issue or whatever, you can just come here and put 0.0017 or something like that, and then go ahead with that transaction and all that stuff. If you have the funds, right, you can actually deposit it here and then do that stuff, and then send it to your wallet. I'm sure this particular process is very, very straightforward. Let's just get straight back to the privacy application, right? So you guys can see right now I have this particular Ethereum. Now, the next thing I have to do right now, what I have to do basically before I can do any other thing, is to mint my NFT. You don't have a POH yet. Verify your human likeness and mint NFT first. I have to mint my human likeness or my human ID. They don't want bots, they want humans, right? And I have to mint an NFT to prove I am human, because it's going to scan my face and all that stuff, and then that's how I prove I am human, right? But if you come over to this place where it says rewards, if I click on rewards, you guys can see I have 0 stars. Some people have already started gathering thousands upon thousands of these particular stars, and this is season 2 as well. If I click on proof, you guys can see once I mint my NFT, I'm going to be getting 400 stars, and then I can come over here and do some stuff and get paid extra stars. You can see here I can get 100 stars, TG bot link, TG bot edit, TG bot group verification, TG bot airdrop verification, unique score, blah blah. All this stuff right here is approximately around 900 to 1000 stars you're going to be getting for absolutely almost free, right? Right, not absolutely free, but honestly, what you're going to be getting back, like I said, is going to be likely way more than what you're putting in right now, guys. But yeah, let's just try and click on this without minting our NFT. Let's see. You can see nothing is happening. We have to mint that NFT first, right? Before we can actually go ahead to do any of these tasks. So I'm just going to click on mint, and then I'm going to click on got it and continue, because I already have some Ethereum there. So if I just click on start face scan, you guys can see, um let's see. Oh, you guys can see my face on the screen right now. Let me just quickly mint my NFT, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys. So you guys can actually see that. Congratulations, your human means your NFT. Sorry, congratulations, you are human. Mint your NFT now. Now you can mint your unique NFT based on your encrypted facial information. Right. So I'm going to click on mint NFT, and then I'm going to put my password right here, and then click on pay and mint. But right before I actually pay, you can see I've actually already put my password here, my login password. But before I actually go ahead to pay, you guys can see that it has actually reduced. The mint fee has reduced. Remember, it was 0.0016, now 0.0015, right? And with this stuff right now, remember, I can actually send and receive on this particular wallet as well. I'm going to show you guys very soon. But let me just pay and mint. Let me just quickly mint my NFT right now, and then transaction sent. Please allow a minute for the transaction to process and confirm. Afterward, check your NFT space to ensure your minting is successful. So we're going to click on go to space. You can see I've paid that stuff right now, and I can check here my proof of human to check my status, whether my mint has been successful or not, right? So you guys can actually see that I actually have a little bit of balance. See what I mean when I was talking earlier? You can actually send back the remaining balance, right? Whatever you have available remaining, you can send it to any other wallet, right? So you can actually fund this particular account with even more than that 0.0016, just to be on the safer side, so you don't need to spend for another gas or stuff like that. All you need to do is just to fund it maybe like 0.0002, for example, or whatever you have, right? But the least, just 0.0016, that's the least you should send here. And whatever is remaining, if it is transferable, because if it's not too tiny, like my own is too tiny, so it can't be transferred. You can say I have just 0.00, like 4 zeros before 97 or whatever, so it's too tiny for me to transfer. But yeah, you can actually transfer out of the wallet. It's not like a trap. It's not like a honey pot or something like that, right? So all right, so let's assume you're done with all this stuff. Now, what is the next step right now? All right, let's go. If you click on proof right now, you guys can see we have not verified stuff. If you click on verify, it tells us something very, very weird, right? It says we should paste, enter your verification code. Don't read on this stuff. It says this can be found on the platform where you wish to verify your human liveness. Now, this sounds confusing, right? But yeah, let's just go over to this particular bot right here. This bot or not a bot on Telegram. Let me see if I can even copy it. Okay, I cannot copy it right now, but I'm going to be searching this on Telegram and then linking my account here over there and then doing it live in front of you guys. Or you guys can actually see right now that we have actually searched for it. Only that 6,000 users have used this in the past month or so. Just going to click on that, and right now it's going to load us over here to the application, to the mini app. Then we just click on start, and let's see what happens. I should do something. Let's see. Just click on start, and then it opens up to us, right? So we'll be linking our account on privacy over here to prove our human likeness, and then copy the code, and then proceed with our verification. So let's just quickly do that right now. So I'm just going to click on link human stuff, and then just okay, the code is valid for 14 minutes right now. I'm just going to copy my code. This is my code right now, and then I'm just going to go over to this place right now. Just click on verify, and then I'm pasting the code right now, clicking on next, and yes. So it says code provided by bot or not bot, or not a bot, and then the task, this has been done. So I'm just going to click on start verification. Let's see. I'll have to scan my face once again to make sure that I'm a human being and all that stuff. There's a lot of like security measures and the rest they take. So I'm just going to quickly do that. So you guys can actually see it says congratulations, verification passed, 100 human genesis stars are granted, right? So I'm just going to click on go to my reward, and right now I have a cumulative of 500 stars. Right now I can just come over to this particular proof. Let's see. No, I actually already have this done. Okay, so um I believe we have done this. Just click on go to rewards. You can see 600. We can just keep doing the rest right now because we have already verified our identity with the Telegram bots and all that stuff, right? So we can just come over here. Sorry, let's see. Okay, see asking for that code stuff, right? So I'm just gonna, you can just keep going to Telegram, and then you see the code, and then you just impute and other stuff, and then you just have to do all these tasks. You can see I've already completed 2 tasks right now. I can just do all these other tasks and get myself ready for the airdrop right now. Right, so this is basically how you can actually participate on the airdrop campaign. You can also refer friends. You refer anybody, you're going to get some points, I guess. I don't really know exactly what you're going to be getting from this. It's not made clear, but yeah, likely you'll be getting something for yourself as well. If you actually liked this particular video, leave me a like, subscribe to the bell notifications, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.